Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make tribal mask planter, and the waste material I have taken is the oil can. So we will do the markings from where we have to cut this oil can. So this is the down part of the oil can, which I will cut with the knife this way. And now these marking I have to do from the upside. This way I am making this design, and this also we will cut with the sharp knife. A small hole the down for the water to drain. This can be cut with a sharp knife or a hot knife too. So this way you can see I have cut down all the parts which I have done the marking, and to give a deep cut I am using the scissor and just fold them outside to give a shape. So this way you can see the cutting part is done. I am also cutting the sharp edges from upside. So friends, you can see this way I have cut the parts of the oil can. Now we will start doing the paint. This is Asian paint, white color. This you can buy from any hardware shops. The base coat I will do white color. So friends, I am doing just the front part because this is the back is already yellow and it is looking good on this can. So this front part we will do. Now we will start making the eyebrows, eyes of this tribal mask. So friends, you can see how you can make these eyes. The shape you can make any as you want. Both the sides. First to the sketch part. Now I am making this design on upper part of the tribal mask, that is the head part. Just simple designs you can make. These are two lines I just rubbed the upper part line. Now making the lips shapes of this mask. Now we will start doing color with acrylic colors. So this is the brown color. You can do the double coating if you want. So this way the face part I am doing the brown color. So you can see the friends kit is done with the brown color. Now I am doing the black acrylic color on the eyes. So this way do the eyes parts with the black color. The middle part I will just fill it with the black color. Now on the other side also do the same. Fill the eyebrows with the black color. So these eyes and eyebrows are ready now. Now I will start painting on the upper portion. This is the yellow color, yellow acrylic color. Now the upper part we have to make colorful, so any colors as per your choice you can make. So after that I am using this blue color and then red color. All these are acrylic colors. This is the green, parrot green color. So make more colorful using different bright colors on the head portion of this tribal mask. So friends, you can see how colorful it is looking. This is again a blue acrylic color and it is done. Now I'm doing the lips part with red acrylic color. This is again yellow acrylic color. Friends, now we will take these jute ropes. The 4 parts I have done of this jute rope. Any jute rope you can take, and with a thread or other jute rope you can just tie them from upside and from the downside also. So this way you just tie them properly. Now you have to open these ropes one by one, and you can see this way it will be fully opened. I will start coloring. This is acrylic colors. This is acrylic red color, then yellow color, then blue, and then green color. So we have made this also colorful, and this way with heavy bond I will stick it on the sides of this tribal mask. I made a hole at the back to hang this container and a small hole for water to drain. This way this is ready. This is a main tribal mask. Now put some soil in it and a plant as you wish. So friends, you can also make this with the same procedure, lady mask tribal with these earrings putting on the sides. So the procedure is same, but just add these things on it, and the lady tribal mask is also ready. And just put some soil on the upper part and the beautiful plants. So these DIY tribal mask planters are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.